Hello friends, thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to do a morning stretch to try to loosen up our bodies. Okay, we're going to start out in child's pose. So stretch your arms out, sink your hips back onto your heels, widen out your knees. Take some deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe spread out your fingers, press your palms down, and walk your hands over to the right. You can stack your palms on top of each other. Keep pressing your hips back and down. Take some deep breaths. Feel that stretch along your side, and switch sides, walking your palms over to the left, pressing your hips back, feeling that stretch alongside your side, inhaling deeply. This feels like such a nice stretch after you've been laying in bed. And rise up to tabletop position with your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. Take some big circles forward and back. You might get all the way back to your heels. Maybe arch your back. Feel your spine loosening up. You can roll out your shoulders. Take some deep breaths. And return back to tabletop position. Tuck your toes under and downward facing dog. Walk your down dog out, pressing your palms into the mat. Maybe swaying your hips from side to side. Pressing your heels down. Take a deep breath with me. Inhale deeply and exhale. Stepping your right foot between your hands for a low lunge, dropping your back knee down and bringing your arms up alongside your ears. Inhale, bring your chest up, press your hips down. You can add a little back bend. You can wiggle out your fingers, feeling your spine loosen. And drop your left palm for a twist, bringing your right arm towards the sky. Inhaling, twisting a little bit more. And exhale, bring your hand down and stepping back to down dog. We're gonna switch sides, bringing your left foot between your hands and rising up for low crescent. Stretching out your hips. You can add a back bend. Take a deep breath. And drop that right palm down for a twist. Keep pressing your hips down. Inhale, twist open a little bit more. And exhale, drop your hand down. Tuck your back toe under for downward facing dog. Walk your feet up for forward fold. You can grab opposite elbows, bend your knees. Since this is the morning, you're probably still pretty tight. So rock side to side. Maybe shake your head out, yes and no. And drop your hands towards the mat and rise all the way up. Interlace your fingers and bring them up towards the sky. You can do a back bend, pressing your chest up and your hips forward, feeling your feet planted. Inhale in that back bend. And rise up. You're going to drop to the right in a side bend. Press your hips to the left. Feel that stretch along your side. Take a deep inhale. And rise back up. Drop to the left. Keeping your feet rooted square onto the mat. Take a deep breath. And rise back up. Forward fold. Bringing your feet about a little bit more than hip width apart for Malasana. Bring your hands to your heart and take a deep breath here. This is also called Yogi squat. It challenges your balance too, which I'm sure a lot of you might be feeling right now. And we're gonna just sit back down on our glutes and bring the bottoms of our feet together for butterfly pose. So pull your chest up, press your knees down with your elbows, and with a flat back, fold forward. Take some deep breaths here. Inhale and exhale. And rise up. You're gonna lay back on your back. Bring your right knee in. Try to press your shoulders down onto the mat. You can roll out your ankle. Maybe wiggle your toes. And twist to the left, bringing your right arm out into a T, dropping your right leg over into a twist towards the left. You can look over your right hand for a little bit of an extra stretch. Take a deep inhale as you stretch a little bit more. And rise up, hugging your knee back into your chest, and then releasing it straight, bringing your left knee in. Give your left knee a deep hug. And then you're gonna drop it over to the right, bringing your left arm out into a T, and maybe looking over that left hand. If you're like me, you might have just heard your back pop. No matter how long I've been doing yoga, I still get pops in my spine. And you're gonna bring your knees back up and hug it back into your chest. And then bring your other knee back up to meet you for a big hug. And stretch all the way out, releasing your legs and releasing your arms towards the front of the room, taking your biggest stretch. And relax, bringing your arms along your side, releasing and relaxing onto your mat for final Shavasana. You can stay here as long as you want, taking deep breaths. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this helped you wake up and stretch for your day. Namaste.